Hello and welcome everyone. In this lecture, I will be discussing a quick research idea that you may use for your research work, and you may even collaborate with me in order to work on this research for your master or PhD or some other kind of research. This work is an extended version of the NOMA technology that we have that we have proposed in this course. In this work, we have proposed a new we will be proposing a new NOMA technology that will be using the neural network architecture. Since in the previous in our proposed technology we were using precoder matrices, so here we will be using neural network architecture plus precoder matrices, and we will be transmitting the signal. Actually, this is the dual transmission. Previously we were using two antennas and we were simultaneously transmitting the signals. Here we have used a switch and we are transmitting the signal via dual transmission. You can also do it via simultaneous transmission. Don't use this switch, use it via dual transmission as we have proposed in our NOMA technology, or you can even also use the dual transmission method. It is from my other course that I have designed on the same platform of researcherstore.com. Um, but the main novelty will be in the design of the precoder plus neural network architectures. This can revolutionize the NOMA technology for the next generation wireless communication. Also, it has the potential to work in active eavesdroppers presence and in real time scenarios. The real challenge lies in training in the neural network architecture that will be developing, because it has to face the too much randomness, fair interference due to the continuous change in the communication environment. So if you wish to collaborate in this research, if you have ideas, you may share with me on my personal website www.furqanzia.com. You can reach me through this website or email me. So I hope this course you learned a lot through this course, and this course has benefit you a lot, and this has opened up doors for you to new research ideas. So I will see you guys in a new course. Till then, take care and never stop learning. Thanks a lot.